friends, Mrs. Skiffington here, taking you through your math activities. As always, we're going to start with our workbook, and we're going to begin with reteaching 7-6 addition sentences. So when you go to that page, there is a lot of tracing to do. Sorry, hold on, I'm getting it. There's a lot of tracing to do on that page, but it's really to keep you in practice with the process. So very quickly, remember we count, right? Make our plus sign, count, right? Make our equal sign, join our groups, whether you do it with counters or writing on the paper, either way, join your groups. And then count them up and write your sum. Remember the total of all of these, or when we find what is in all or all together, that's called the sum. You're going to write that here. You're going to do that for all of these, as well as for our second must-do activity, practice 7-6. So when we look at practice 7-6, the only difference is they do not put the items on top of where you're writing, so you're going to have to kind of really pay attention to what you're doing here. So your first group, you will count and write, make your plus sign, count and write, make your equal sign, join your groups, count them all together, and write your sum. So you're doing that for these. Those are your two of your must-do activities. Your third must-do activity is as a Google slide. You're going to need to make a copy of that. So when you click on it, it'll ask you to make a copy. Go ahead and make a copy. But what you will be doing in there is it does say roll it. You're not actually rolling the dice. They give you pictures of the dice. So you're going to count those up. You're going to build your little groups using the counters they give you on the side. Just slide them right over into the little boxes that they give you. And then you will circle your number just by dragging over the little circle to the proper total or sum, or what you find in all. And then you're going to type in the numbers. So there's a lot of work on each page, but give it a try. Do your best. It's really good practice. Okay. Your choice activities going across the bottom is using the plus sign boom cards, and then knockout. You click on that, it shows you a slide on how to play this really fun game. All you need are 2 dice. If you do not have 2 dice, I know we gave you 1. If you do not have 2, I've included a link to a online dice so that you can use those. So basically you're going to add up, it's a game for 2 players. It's all explained in the slide, but if you can have somebody to play that with you, it looks like a lot of fun. And then there's Splash Learn. I've added some subtraction on there, so you can, increase your knowledge and move up the game on Splash Learn. So that's it for your math activities for today. Talk to you soon.